Guys, look at this beauty right here. Look at this beauty right here. Isn't he gorgeous? I'm gonna make sure I don't get too close because I've heard that they can get you if they feel threatened at all. So I'm gonna keep on walking, but he's beautiful. Look at him. He is gorgeous. I love God's creation. Hey, good morning. I am just finishing up my morning walk. I'm headed back over the bridge and I'll be getting in a little over 3 miles again this morning. I always try to do between 3 and 5 miles is my goal, but it looks like here I've just been sticking with right at the 3 miles. So I'm gonna get up to that 5 here, hopefully within the next couple of weeks. I'll keep you guys posted, but it's a beautiful day here in Arkansas. And so many people are out this morning. Look at all the cars, everybody's out and getting back to the swing of things. Fall weather feels like it's upon us here. It's kind of cool this morning, not too hot, not too cold. It's really just right. So, good morning. So it's really just right. And it's a beautiful day here. I'm gonna finish up this walk. I'll check back with you guys when I get to the end of this walk. Good morning. Guys, the water is so still and calm today. There's something about the calmness of this nature that's so reassuring and peaceful. You know, I'm just so grateful. I just began to reflect on God and the things that He has done for me and my life and where I am currently in life and my family, and I'm just so thankful. Everything's just so beautiful. I think of His isness and how beautiful and magnificent He is to be able to create such splendor. You know, it's just beautiful. So, just a bit of beauty I wanted to share with you guys this morning. Let's make it a great day today, my friends. All right, my friends, 3.17 miles today. It is done, it is finished, and I am so happy. I'm gonna get home and shower and change. All right, everybody, this is my lunch. I have made myself a small salad here, lettuce, tomato, cheese, bacon, and some of those crispy onions. And then I have some burnt ends that we got from a local barbecue place out here. I think I've showed you this on another video, but it's just simply beef brisket, like the ends of the beef brisket. So good. This is going to be my lunch, and then I'm going to head to the school. I've got some drama classes to teach, so I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. All right, so I'm going to eat lunch and head out. Oh, and I've also got my bottle of water. I'm going to try to drink this entire bottle before I leave, and then drink at least 2 more bottles while I am there today. Okay, that's the goal. We'll see if it happens. Guys, so I didn't finish vlogging. I did go to the school and I taught for 3 hours. I went home, prepared dinner. I'll show you guys dinner. It was just some steaks. Today's my husband's birthday, so he wanted some steak and baked potatoes. So I made that quickly, went home and made that, and I am now on my way into Target. We're gonna get a birthday gift for my husband, Angelina's dad. And yeah, so we're walking in Target and I'm taking you guys along with me. Let's go see what we can find for the hubs. I think I got enough pumpkins. I'm so tempted to buy pumpkins.
You know you have a lot of pumpkins over there. Yeah. For some reason, you was really on a pumpkin kick last year.
Yeah. All right, so this is one thing I'm getting him. I love this sage and citrus, and he does as well.
Has you ever had the blue cedar and cypress?
I think I did get that one. No, let's see. This one, let's try this one. I don't remember. Okay, so I'm gonna give him both of these. You guys, if you have not tried these, go to Target. These smell amazing. I mean, absolutely amazing. So yeah, give those a try. everybody, so this is my husband's dinner. He wanted steak today, so I have him New York strip steak here and baked potato. I just took it out of the potato skin, and it has cheddar cheese and bacon on the baked potato. So that is his dinner for the day, his birthday dinner. That's what he wanted, so whatever he wants, he gets. I have actually, I've eaten my dinner already. I should have showed you guys, but I had the same thing that I had for lunch. We had some more beef tips left. We had a little bit of salad left over, so I had that again for dinner. So delicious and so filling. I had me my Starbucks triple shot when I went to go get his gift. I stopped and got me a triple shot of espresso and added my protein shake to it. I'm finished with that. So that's what I've had this evening. And I'm sorry I didn't show you guys. We were giving him his gift and I just didn't think about it. I threw my cup away. I ate dinner while I was fixing his dinner. So I didn't get to show you guys that on camera. But that is it for today. I'm not going to eat anything else. Of course, I am full. I did have my dinner. It was probably around 4:30 that I ate my dinner. I ate my dinner while I was making his dinner. So that is it for, what I eat in a day today. That's it. I'm done. So I'm probably just going to try to drink me some more water. And I'm going to call it a night. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Sincerely Legenia. Today, I'm going to be vlogging, and I'm going to start out showing you guys my breakfast this morning. As you saw a few videos back, you guys saw some quiche that I made. So today is the next day after making that video. And so for breakfast this morning, let me show you what I'm having. For breakfast this morning, I am having a slice of that bacon and 4 cheese quiche, as well as some sliced cucumbers with everything but bagel seasoning on them. And I've got me a full bottle of water here, which I am determined to drink all of during this meal. So this will be my breakfast this morning. And everybody, I am so excited today because I'm going to begin my fall decor. I'm going to begin that by let me say that again. I'm going to start that out by putting up all of my spring and summer decor, putting those things away, leaving out what I want to reuse, and then getting all of my fall decor out. So in between those processes, I will also be cleaning and tidying up before I put my fall decor out. So I'm excited about that. I've got my helper, Angelina, who's going to be helping me to do that. And I'm going to bring you guys along with me today. Well, really the entire weekend. This is going to be a weekend process. It never takes me a day. It usually takes me like 3 days. So, but we're starting today. And so, yeah, I'm excited. So come along with me, guys, and let's enjoy this beautiful Saturday together. All right, guys, so breakfast is done, and I did finish my bottle of water. I'm so proud of myself. It was really hard just to sit here and drink the water after I finished my breakfast. But, all right, let's get into clearing out all of the spring and summer decor. All right, guys, so right now I am headed into Costco. Angelina and I are taking a break from our decorating duties to get dinner, and there's a few things that I need to continue decorating. So I'm on my way into Costco to get some wings. Angelina just had to have wings. Just, oh my gosh. Y'all know I'm the wing lover here, but anyway, on my way into Costco to get some wings, and then I'm gonna go to a couple other places and get some things to finish my decor.
Is he catching the box of energy?
29.
Go ahead, move it over.
It was right there.
Where is it? No.
18.99.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
You have a great day.
You too, thank you. gonna show you guys my dinner for the day. I've got me some buffalo wings, homemade buffalo wings, broccoli and ranch. This is dinner. Give you guys a little snippet of how the pumpkins turned out and what they look like. So this is my mantle, and this is where I have placed the pumpkins. I love the way they turned out. I love these little bouts of blue sprinkled in with these autumn colors. I'm just loving the whole thing, guys. I really am. So that's how they turned out. So you get a little bit of what the mantle looks like, and I'll show you guys the rest of it, of course, in my fall decor video.